This is a message from Adore Everlasting Spectrum of Love. Our mission is simple: to fight for better funding, better access, and better futures for disabled and neurodivergent people everywhere. We welcome everyone who shares that mission, no matter your politics, your background, or where you live, because disability justice is not partisan, it's human. Hate has no home here, not from the left, not from the right. If you come to spread hate toward disabled people, neurodivergent people, LGBTQ people, or rural families, you will be removed immediately. This is a healing space. America is divided, not because people are hateful, but because entire communities have been abandoned. Rural families face longer wait lists, fewer specialists, fewer hospitals, fewer mental health providers. These aren't opinions, they're receipts. Research shows rural counties have fewer autism evaluators, fewer therapists, and fewer disability supports. Families wait months, sometimes years, for help that urban areas receive in weeks. Adore Everlasting stands for every disabled person, rural, urban, LGBTQ, neurodivergent, conservative, liberal, independent. We look at every law through one lens. How does this hurt people? And then we break it down for every community. If you're here to heal, welcome. If you're here to share your story, welcome. If you're here to fight for disability funding, welcome. This is Adore Everlasting, Spectrum of Love, awareness, acceptance, advocacy.